Hey guys, Scott here, and again I'm in my home garage. With mowing season wrapping up, it's time to winterize our mowers. Along with a good wash, fresh oil change, and lube of all the moving parts, I also like to sharpen my blades and clean my deck. Important steps. So I figured I'd show you the Eastwood tools I use, along with one that might surprise you on a mower deck. So let's start with how I sharpen my blades. I use a multi-tool grinder, which happens to be attached to a 1/2 horsepower jet grinder. Now these come in so many options for you guys. You can buy just the attachment and throw it on your existing grinder. You can buy it attached to a multi-tool grinder or a jet grinder in both 1/2 horsepower and 1 horsepower versions. One side will have a grinding wheel on it, while the other side has 4 points of contact to be able to grind your blades. Now I choose the top, which is the flat platinum, which is perfect for getting those razor sharp blades. But you also have the bottom, which has a little bit of slack to kind of conform to the parts you're grinding. The front contact wheel, which gives a perfect radius, perfect for roll cages and stuff like that. And you also have a 7-inch abrasive disc on the side, perfect for moving metal fast. So let me go ahead and get to work and you guys can see what tools I use. Alright guys, so now the blades are sharpened. The next thing I have to tackle is the underside of the deck. It's inevitable that when we mow wet grass, moisture is going to get stuck under there, rust is going to form, and you've all seen the mower decks with holes in them. So to protect from that, I'm going to clean the underside of the deck, and instead of sitting there scraping with a wire brush forever, I'm actually using the SCT, or the Contour SCT, along with the scaling drum. It's like a wire brush, but not quite as aggressive, which is perfect. So they're actually abrasive-filled nylon fingers that'll just move over top of nuts and bolts without doing any damage, but they'll clean off the surface rust and get it ready for the Rust Encapsulator, which is the other product I have behind me, the Rust Encapsulator Platinum. This stuff's 3 times stronger than our original, and it is perfect for the underside of a mower deck. So let me go ahead and get to work, get this cleaned up so I can get some encapsulator on. Quick little fun behind the scenes for you guys. If you ever wondered how we light our garages, we actually don't carry the professional lights around with us. We just carry the new modular lights. They're magnetic, they swivel, and they can get the light exactly where we need it so you can see exactly what we're doing. Hope you guys like this quick tip. There you have it guys, the blades are sharpened, the deck is cleaned, and it's painted with Platinum Encapsulator, so I know for next full season, I'm good to go. So all I gotta do now is let this dry, I can button it back up, put it together, and put away my mower. Now for any of these products, including the multi-tool, which keep your eyes peeled on the website, because we're adding even more to that lineup with more functionality and more stuff to help you guys out. But for any of these products, or anything to help you do the job right, you can either click or tap the button in the corner, or you can follow the link that appears on screen.